Desi diet plan. Hey there, lovely viewer. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into something extra special, a holistic everyday diet plan that's not just good for you but tastes amazing too. So, let's jump right in and make every meal count. Breakfast. Our journey begins with a powerhouse breakfast. Picture this, a hearty bowl of oatmeal, topped with a burst of fresh berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Not only does it taste divine, but it's also a nutritional superhero. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, giving you a steady energy kickstart and supporting your heart health. Lunch. Now, let's talk lunch. Enter a vibrant quinoa salad, adorned with a rainbow of veggies. And your choice of grilled chicken or chickpeas. This combination is a protein-packed delight, and those veggies? They're like a mini nutrient festival, offering vitamins and minerals. Quinoa, being a complete protein source, takes this meal to the next level, promoting a happy and healthy digestive system. Snack time. The afternoon snack, our energy booster. How about grabbing a handful of mixed nuts? These little wonders not only taste great but are also loaded with healthy fats, proteins, and antioxidants. Perfect for keeping your brain in top shape and bidding farewell to those pesky midday cravings. Dinner. Now, let's shift our focus to dinner, the final act of the day. Imagine a piece of beautifully baked salmon or a tofu stir-fry, accompanied by brown rice and a colorful array of steamed veggies. Salmon, with its omega-3 fatty acids, becomes your heart's best friend, while brown rice provides those complex carbs for a lasting energy boost. Evening snack. And as the sun sets, it's time for a delightful evening snack. Treat yourself to some Greek yogurt, drizzled with a touch of honey, and adorned with slices of your favorite fruits. Not only does it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it's also a powerhouse of probiotics, supporting your gut health and delivering those essential vitamins. There you have it, a simple yet magical everyday diet plan. It's not just about eating, it's about nourishing your body. By weaving these delicious choices into your daily routine, you're not just promoting better digestion, heart health, and brain function, but also investing in your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this journey with us, show some love. Hit that like button, share it with your pals, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy, stay happy, and catch you in the next one.